Hello, I'm gonna be doing a bike check. It's a 2011 Growler, so I'm not gonna go through the Growler parts. I don't know, you'll hear. In the back we got the stock Eastern Growler rim with spokes and hub. Peg is stock Eastern. Frame is stock Growler. Pedals are their Animal. Got my friend, he spray painted them gold. Sprocket, I don't know, it has a guard. I traded it for my Growler one. We got a We the People pivotal seat with the sword on it. Stock Growler bars. ODI long necks white. Stock stem with We the People the bolt. Stock headset. We the People hybrid forks. What's it called? It's a homemade hub guard, and I got it from Russian Pegs. I think that's what his YouTube name is. I'll put in the link. Stock. Same thing in the back. Oh, well, the Haro tire, I have a Haro tire because when you buy the Eastern Growler 2011, it comes with this front tire, and it's super fat, and it rubs against rubbed against my frame down here. So I put a smaller tire in, and that's the only one I had. Stock, peg, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.